your girl's overwhelmed by all of the stuff in this house. You clean, and then you have to clean more because there's so much stuff. And it's just a never-ending door of stuff. And I bring stuff in, but I don't feel like enough stuff goes out. So we're going to change that by just using a trash bag. One trash bag at a time. I'm going to take back this dang house. Okay? Okay. I also have to move in the summertime to I have no idea where. And I want to take as little as possible with me, honestly, because I can't afford a big place. So I'm going to have to squeeze into a little place. And I'm not squeezing all this stuff with me in a little place. We're getting rid of half the crap. Got it? Got it. I don't know if you can tell if I'm frustrated at all, but I'm a little bit frustrated. So the first place we're going to tackle today is the hallway upstairs. I don't even think it needs an introduction because it is just a mess. We are also going to need an actual bag for trash. One second. Trash bag, donate bag, coffee, let's go. So this is literally what I see when I wake up in the morning. I literally am just met with this. And I'll be 100% honest here. This hallway is 100% me. That's my stuff. Not my son's clothes. Those aren't mine, but I put it out there because I had to move my bedroom into the office because if you missed it, I broke up with my boyfriend who we still live together, still navigating through that. But I moved my bedroom into the office and literally all of this stuff was in the office. And then the winter closet that was supposed to be the winter closet over there has just vomited onto the floor. And I just have never done anything about it. So I do take responsibility for what has happened in this hallway. But now take responsibility to clean it up and get rid of half of it. Also, a little update on the kitties. This is Star. So our barn cat, our retired barn cat, she's the little tan one right there. She had kitties. And these are 3 of her kitties. One of them got rehomed. Oh my goodness. I need to get them spayed and neutered before I will rehome the rest. And I believe I will be keeping 1 or 2 of them. So that's the update on the kitties. They are thriving from being milk or bottle fed by me because Mama was struggling to keep up with them. So they are thriving. They're about 6 months old now. So they'll get spayed, neutered, and they will be good to go to their new homes. This is bathroom stuff that I have seriously been carrying around with me. I've moved this stuff 3 times. Maybe not all of it, but this basket with this stuff, I've moved it 3 times, and I'm not going to do it again. So let's go through it. Sorry. And I have a feeling a lot of this is going to be trash. Hold on. Can you see? Back up. Back up, Terry. Back up, Terry. Back up. There, you can see better now. Enjoy the kitty-filled video because this is their space. So I'm encroaching in their territory today. Why am I keeping this? This literally is expired and has 2 freaking drops in it. And this is stuff I can't donate. I mean, expired products. I'm not going to donate expired products to somebody. I'll speed this part up a little bit so you don't have to bear with me here. I'm 4 objects in and I've already had this conundrum 5 times. Because I've used these products and they're not expired. So do I toss them or do I keep them? I haven't used this in forever, but I used it twice and I really liked it. Ugh. This is why it's so hard to go through stuff. This Ivory soap, it's brand spanking new. Am I gonna use it? Probably not. So should I donate it? God, I don't know. Hi, Mia. Literally had this since I was a child, 10 or 11 years old, and you can tell. That's much better. You see the tag is still on that? That's hilarious. That's much better. Moving ever onward. Clothes. Can we talk about children's clothes for a second? I have one child. He is 9. I have 100% of that child's clothes from birth to 9. Maybe I've gotten rid of a few things, but I really think I have every single piece of clothing that child has worn. I do not want more children at this point in my life. So I really struggle giving up his clothes because I feel like it is giving up a huge part of me. Oh my God, why are you gonna cry over clothes, girl? You're fine. A lot of people make fun of me because I have all of his clothes. But to me, I don't want to close that chapter fully. And I know I need to. I know that there's no reason to keep the clothes. I know that they're in great condition and somebody can use them. But yeah, I would say that is one of my biggest struggles is clothes, his clothes. This box though, I think will be a little easier for me to donate. I think I have a little more of an attachment to like the baby clothes that he wore. So if you guys have any suggestions what to do with baby clothes when you're an overly sentimental person, just let me know. Well, this took a little bit of a turn here. I'm just going through these clothes and there's like a few baby clothes in here, not like super baby, but from when he was really little. And like going through every stage with him without like a consistent singular person. Like I was a single mom basically from the day he was born. And like nobody else has got to see every single stage of him. Like yes, my family was there alongside me, but like somebody living with me and going through it day to day, and like it's just really hard to relive those days. Like, and it's really hard to get rid of stuff from those days because you don't want to forget like how amazing they were and how long the days felt, but how short the years really were. And thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, it's just nobody else has these memories, you know, nobody else was with him every single step of the way, and it's just hard to go through. And it's hard to explain to people if you haven't been a single mother or done the dang thing by yourself. Like, yes, for the last 4 years I've had, you know, my boyfriend or ex-boyfriend, but even he hasn't seen him from a newborn, you know, he's just seen the last 4 years of his life. And it's so hard to explain to people, like, why it's so hard to get rid of this stuff. Because it feels like you're getting rid of, like, a part of your past and, like, a huge struggle that you made it through. And it's just wild to realize that, like, yeah, no, it was all you, babe. It was, oh gosh, it was absolutely 100% all you, consistently you. And now going back to that again, of becoming a single mom again, I mean, it's just the emotions kind of hit raw all over again, you know? It's just very interesting. The emotions that get brought up when you're doing stuff. Okay, one box is empty. I'll show you the stuff I'm putting back in. that is too small for him, but are things that I want to keep. So give me 1 second, because I'm actually incredibly proud of myself for how little of his stuff I am keeping. That's really good. Like, that's freaking insanely good for me. Like, that's not even a quarter. That's basically like a quarter of a box. Okay, break time, because I have to go to therapy. So I'll see you when I can re-begin this. This bag used to be full of all of this stuff that's on the floor over here. Used to be full of everything that is on the floor right here, that those lovely little peaches and this lovely little peach knocked over. So I'm hoping that I can just fit it all in this basket instead of like 2 separate ones. So that way we have an empty basket. Either I'm going to keep this one. I might actually donate this one. I don't know. We haven't decided yet on that. Another question for my girlies out there, or my whoever's watching. Do you guys do the Marie Kondo method of does it bring you joy? Because here's the issue. I have depression. I just I feel like that's a statement in itself, but like I have depression. And what brings me joy one day is not going to bring me joy the next day. Or, I don't know. Do my facial products bring me joy? I mean, sometimes. I, as a person who struggles with mental health, really struggle with that method. Let me know if you're the same. Let me know if you're not the same. Let me know if it works for you. It might work out well for you. I don't know. I just don't see it don't work. So this is all like bath stuff, hair stuff, face washes, some sprays, and my brush. And then this is makeup that I want to keep. I don't actually have a bag for this anymore, but that bag that I got rid of isn't going to work. And this is my nail stuff, like my nail polishes, my like acetone and all that. So I just need to find 2 bags to put those in. I was obviously swatching stuff to see if I wanted to keep it. But like, this is good, because these 2 things have literally been full of stuff for years. I have moved them around for years. So that's perfect. We got our trash right here so far. Our donate bag is getting full. This area over here really just needs like swept and stuff. And we'll do that towards the end. I think we're going to move on to this section over here. right, I gotta go to conferences, so I will see you guys to finish this up because we actually got as far as I wanted to. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired. Orange actually tastes terrible. It's very dry. Ta-da! So I got all of that down to one box. This is my makeup. I didn't find a bag for like my nail polish and stuff, so that'll just stay there. Again, I will probably keep her. I'm sure I can use somewhere else because I actually like how sturdy this one is. This one you kind of lose things in the corners. So I'm sure I can use her for organizing somewhere else. And then all we have to do is take stuff downstairs and clean the hallway and we're done, friends. I still have to take that to the trash and those two things to my car. Ay, ay, ay.